This is the type of camera I'm using. It's a Sony 6000 or X6000. Here's a picture of it. Now, I really don't know anything about cameras. I don't know anything about photography. I went to Best Buy and said, hey, I want to make videos. This is the one they gave me. So I'm not going to go through all the settings and everything it has. I'm just trying to see if it can even video my welds and how clear the welds are. Let's do an experiment based off the settings of the camera. Hopefully it works out. All right, aperture 14. Aperture is gonna be 36. Now aperture all the way down to 5.6. All right, shutter speed 4,000. Moving shutter speed down to 4. All right, now we got it in automatic mode. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Which do you prefer as far as camera settings go? I'm not a professional photographer by any means. I really don't know what I'm doing. But I try. Let me know what you think.